Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Actually, I just arrived from window shopping and I didn't have plan to film today, but I'm so excited to open this hammock. You know what? Normally hammock costs 100 pound and 90 pound like that, and I saw one in Argos which is on sale, which is 55 something like that. And you know what guys, how much I purchased this. This is from Morrisons. I went to Morrisons and yesterday I went to Zara, M&S, and I'm so happy that I just purchased very few. And this one, I cannot resist guys. Look at 25 pound. So tell me if you're going to think to buy it or not, because they just have two left. So I said okay, I need to grab it because it's so cheap and my son loves it also. So we went to a friend and they have this and my son love it, so I'm thinking, oh, let me buy it also guys. 25 pound from Morrisons. Check your Morrisons if they still have this. And actually Morrisons have so many clearance. I will do another video of this unboxing so that you can see if it's really worth it or maybe it's also not good. Let's see. I hope for the best because 25 pound, you know, but I'm so happy if it's good. It's really a bargain. Next is I went to TK Maxx and I bought this. Actually I I need backpack. Actually I remember I have a backpack, then I give it to my someone, and then now I'm said, oh, I need backpack actually to go somewhere, and I don't have backpack anymore. Sometimes I'm giving things that I feel like I don't need but eventually I will need. So this is from the brand GR, which is George Riss. So what I like about it is the color. They have actually other brand, but just the color, I like this one. I like white, gray. I don't like black. Oh, by the way, I also purchased something in Matalan, which is, look at guys, 50 pence. 50 pence, 10 pence. I have so many sunglasses here, but who can resist a 10 pence sunglasses? They have others other there, and I'm thinking actually to buy more, and at the same time I'm said, what you need, you have so many. I want to give it to friends like that because just 10 pence, but I control myself because I think, you know, 10 pence guys. That is from Matalan. So this is the brand of this bag. Take that for the bag. And what else? Oh, what is this? Microchip. Micro pack. Okay, yeah, like that. And like this is by the way only $24.99, so very affordable compared to Paolo Constantine, something like that brand, and that one is $39.99 and it's black. That's why I said okay, I just grab this. And then the size of this I like because it's not so big, not so small, which is really, I'm really happy with this purchase guys, if you want. And I went to Home Bargains. I purchased avocado, apples, some groceries, jalapeno, and some, you know, pots. Oh, I have in Morrisons my holy something seed I purchased. So yeah, anyway, I will show you, or no need, I will show you I guess. So happy birthday treats in Home Bargains because it's so cheap guys, so I why not, you know. And then this one is just 1 pound, and this 29 pence. I like to purchase birthday cards just so I have ready one, you know, when somebody will invite us. And then I must, this is just 29 pence. Nose blackheads removal, like that. So cheap in some bargains. And yeah, I'm so happy. And I'm nearly in the end. So in Primark, I grabbed this tablecloth. You know, my dining table is glass, and to be honest, it's sometimes so hard to clean, and my son is the one who is making mess all the time. So I'm thinking to put this. It's not the color that I like just plain white, but I saw it on sale and it's 100% cotton, so I grabbed it, guys. This is the problem of me. So right now, still a little, yeah, but I'm trying to not shop. And Putty Seamless, 250 only in Primark. Let me show you the seed that I purchased in Morrisons. Yeah, actually guys, I also purchased chicken, meat, beef, like that, crepes in Morrisons, and compost. But yeah, and this one is Holy Hook. I saw from my friend. This is really nice. So in the seed bed, dip into highly preferred soil which has already been watered. Okay, so this one I will try. And hopefully it will, you know, bloom. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Very few haul. I'm very happy actually, because today when I went to Matalan, they have a nice dress and it sell from 28 or 30 pound, and now 14 pound, and I like to buy it. Then I said, okay, I know it's not my size, it's size 8, but I think sometimes size 8 fit me. So I said maybe I'll just try it, because last time I purchased something in Matalan size 8 and it's okay. So I didn't bought it. And then in Home Bargains also, I saw something like for the mat something, and I'm thinking to buy it for my pool for my son. But I think we have house pipe bands, we cannot use the pool, and then we try to follow it. Are you following this band? I feel like not everyone is following, but we are following here. We tried. And then also yesterday in Zara, guys, so many nice dresses, and they are my size in Zara. I'm so tempted to buy, but I didn't. So good for me. So yeah, hopefully less shopping for me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.